Okay, so now it's too strips already. I'm gonna go for it. This isn't fake or anything, it can be real painful. So I'm just gonna do this real fast. I'm scared. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Ow! Well, did pretty good. Feels like it took off all your skin. It's okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Ah! Ow! That hurt. We'll see if we can get more. One strip. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! Surprised myself a little bit there. Whew. Okay. Well, you can definitely tell that it did its job. That one worked the best. Ow! That hurt. Ow! Well, I'm definitely gonna have to shave, but it worked pretty well. I mean, ow!